What you can see here is a video of my heart. That's something that's very hard to reconstruct because it's moving so fast. One thing that we're working on is how can we get higher resolution and image better even if the object is moving a little bit. My name is Reinhard Heckel. I'm a professor for machine learning here at the Technical University of Munich. I focus on using deep neural networks to make imaging better. Deep neural networks can improve the clarity and diagnostic value by giving much sharper and higher resolution images from measurements where classical methods just don't do as well. So if you use a neural network, as you can see, for example, here, you get just much more details and your image is not as blurry, and you can sometimes detect pathologies and see pathologies that you can't see in classically reconstructed images. So it can really make the difference for a radiologist to decide whether there is an issue or whether there's no issue with the patient. The way deep learning-based image reconstruction often works is you start from the measurement. The stripes are the actual measurements, and the black lines in between, so the black stripes, are actually data that is missing. And so now the neural network takes these measurements and maps it to a clean image. And the way how we train these networks is we have a lot of such measurements and corresponding clean images, and then we train the network to reconstruct the clean image from this measurement. How can we ensure that we have very diverse data? How can we make sure that our data is good? How can we augment our data? So a lot of my research is about, how do we get the right data to train these models? Because the data is really what makes the difference between a well-performing method that is robust and reliable and a method that is just going to work on like a handful of patients. So I think there's really kind of a new era on how can we have better training data and how can we use that data better at solving a task. But here we are at the very beginning. So in the future, using neural networks, it will become much easier to image, to get high resolution videos of beating a heart like this.